Good morning, family. I don't know if you could hear and see it. That were some geese circling around and landing in the water. I'm here on my Sunday morning trip. That's the Danube. That's very close to my home. That's yeah, a little bit deeper than the Namakegan, and some of you are living near the Danube too, in the Banata area. I know that. And I can spit here in, and this would become to you like what's the name, bottle message. And here you can see a big beaver trap going from this water way around here to the other side, because I'm on a little island. You can see Nubi. Nubi, come here. Yeah, come here. Oh, good boy. He is happy to run free here. It's possible. Yeah, Nubi. Huh? What? Sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Say hello to your fans. Nubi. Nubi. Hey. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Now he wants to run. Go on. Yeah, you can see we have fall too. It's a little pity that we have no sunshine. It would be nicer in the sun and a little bit warmer. We have, I think, 50 degrees, but we enjoy the walk here. We walk a little bit faster so it gets warmer for us. Here you can always see the little traps in the water. That's all from beavers and other stuff. I think ducks and geese and all. Newbies waiting what I'm doing. Yeah, you can hear the church. There are way behind the church. Wait, there is a church. Okay, I will go little a bit ahead, and I will show you some. Wait. So now look at that. A little path through the jungle here. It's only made from the beavers too. Now you can see how big the Danube is. With us it's spelling Donau. It's not Donabu, it's Donau in German. It's very quiet here. So now we come to a big tree. Look at that. It's when I stand in front, it's like my hips in this hay. And they laid it down here. It was a big oak. They laid it down to show the kids how big trees are could be, and they explain for what that is and how you can look how old it is with all the rings. That's special for kids to learn, and of course to sit down when the weather is nice and not so wet like now. And that's really a big oak. We have many old trees here. Nubi, come here. Nubi, come here. He don't. He wants to play. He said, "Yes, mommy, I'm coming later." So now, I hope you have a little bit fun with this all. Maybe I make a break now, and maybe I can show you some ducks in the pond. We'll see. Here you can see that's another sign for with many pictures for children and to explain what is here, where we are. Anubis is still busy. And a little bit the sun pops up a little bit so it gets a little bit more colorful here. Here is a little bee house, and for other insects we have many such stuff. And again, what flowers are here on this little island and where we are here. That's my area here. It's very nice here. So now on the end of my walking, way behind you can see swans. Wait, I try. I thought maybe I can show you the swan family with the 8 babies, but nope, not today. So look at that colors again, and I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy the fall weather or the sunshine or whatever. God bless all the people. I'm praying for all the people they need it. Yeah, enjoy your life if you are healthy and in a good mood, and yeah, you can work. Enjoy your life. And the others, my thoughts and prayers are with all they need it. Okay, have a wonderful Sunday. Bye bye.